morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar dipped a slight 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 2.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw gold rise 0.4% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. Oil rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Moving on to world financial news.
Stocks on Wall Street hit a record high, and core government debt was steady as investors brushed aside the biggest jump in U.S. inflation since the financial crisis. The Basel Committee on Banking Supervision has weighed in on cryptocurrencies. Punitive new proposals from the standard-setting body may ensure Bitcoin remains in the fringes of regulated finance. The dollar hovered near a 5-month low versus major peers as investors look to U.S. inflation data and a European Central Bank meeting later in the day to provide a spur for lackluster currency markets.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst's review of today's most interesting economic events.
The UK's manufacturing production will be released at 600 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 600 GMT, the US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT, Finland's current account at 500 GMT, Spain's consumer price index at 700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.